Okay guys, this day we are going to change this broken Hewlett-Packard panel. The exact model of the notebook is Hewlett-Packard 3FX02EA. Let's go with the replacement. The screen is broken, so now we are going to detach gently the frame. This model keep attention to the glue in the part near the bottom of the screen, and the rest of the operation is very easy. Now gently detach the frame from the bottom. Okay. Okay, put away. Now we have only 8 screws, so 1, 2, very important to have a strong magnetic screwdriver to not have any screw lost. Removing all the screw. Okay, we remain only 2 big black screws at the bottom, removing also this. Okay, we are done. We can proceed removing the panel. Okay, gently, and we have in this part the connector. We have to detach the connector. Pay attention to the connector. The connector in this case is a 30 pin, not a 40 pin. Okay, detached. When you buy a screen on laptopscreen.com, pay attention to this part because the connector is very important. Okay, this is the broken one. Put away. Let's go with the new one. So we have the new part, this one. Okay. Okay. Very well boxed. Okay, this is the new screen, and first of all, don't remove the protective layer. Later we are going to remove this layer, so you not scratch the surface of the screen. Now connecting the LCD connector panel is okay. If you want, you can add some adhesive, but it's not the case. We are done. And now let's go. In this model, you have to pay attention to these parts. You can see, because the screen has to fit has to be positioned under this, and this is over the hole for the screw. You can see. Okay, we can proceed with the screw. Okay. Okay, first one. Seems that these screws are not magnetic. Yeah, because I know my screwdriver is strongly magnetic, but these particular screws are not magnetic. What a pity. But we can manage to mount wherever. Okay. Okay. This last screws. Okay, we remain the big black screws. Very easy to mount. Okay, mounted. Now we have to go with the frame. So the frame starts from the bottom. Oh, I forgot. First, now we can remove the layer. Remove it. Okay. And now we can go finally with this. No screws now, but only to push gently the frame. Finished. Power on. Powering on. Waiting for boot. The operation is okay. the screen is working well. Windows now is booting. Fantastic. Done. Now here we go for an SSD replacement, but this is another video. You can see. Perfect. Thank you, laptop screen. Thank you.